again here at Big Barn Harley-Davidson in Des Moines, Iowa, home of warranty forever, and we've got another sweet bike for you today. This is the 2019 Freewheeler in the Blue Max paint job. It's a custom paint color that you can get this year. Definitely worth stopping, checking it out. It's got some fine little details in the tank, the fenders, as well as on the trunk. A couple things that really set this apart from what you're used to in the Tri-Glides is the fact it has no big tour pack on the back. It still has the 114 cubic inch engine that you're seeing on the Trikes this year, but with the trunk, instead of it being straight out the rear and then having the tour pack, you just turn this knob here, opens up your trunk, gives you full access to storing all your goodies for those longer trips. I actually prefer this design. That way I can tell if the trunk's open or closed. A couple other neat things that have been done to this one. You do have the wind splitter windshield from Harley-Davidson added to this particular one that we're showing you here. Doesn't come factory on this bike. Some things that do though in 2019 with this unit is it does have the Emulsion adjustable rear shock. If we had the seat off, there is a dial under there so you can dial in your ride preference so it feels and sits how you like it. A couple other things is this does have the new ABS braking system, new for 19 in the Trike models. Definitely stop out today, check out Harley-Davidson's website, check out Big Barn's website for all the great new gear, hats, shirts, everything we have to offer. Come see us today, test ride, like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.